I gotta look at that.
Yes.
I want to look at Michael. Oh.
So you can do it, Mark? Yeah, they need to show real people need to see how to do it.
Yeah, you mean real people?
This real?
I'm working hard as I can. And you talking about real people?
Ms. Vaughn, please know I will be tagging you to Facebook on this video.
You wasn't there.
I did. I did.
The only good thing about being crazy is people expect it.
Exactly.
That one. Ooh, I can do that now. Oh, no.
Ow. Ow. Get it out.
The twins.
Mark, you finna play this game. Or you gonna be on punishment for 2 weeks. He don't even care.
Give me punishment.
Come and take away some and Xbox
Okay.
and put them in the back. That's a good workout, though.